from Sicily!
Hello everyone, good morning!
Happy to see you again! Happy Sunday! As you can see,
this is a very cloudy and rainy Sunday here in Sicily.
a winter day, we can say.
Yeah, we have more or less 15, 14 Celsius degrees, so between, I don't know, 55 and 60 Fahrenheit. So this is not a good time here in Sicily. It's just like the winter time has come back again.
Yeah, it's incredible, but we miss you, and so we decided to make this short live broadcast just to wish you happy Sunday, to remind you our love for you, because you are our family, and so we need to feel your positive vibes, and so please send your positive vibes to us also.
Let's show the landscape. We are in the coastline of Carini, and that's the island of women, l'isola delle femmine. Let me zoom. That's the island, the little island of women.
So the seascape is more or less the same from your house,
Yeah.
your home.
Tieni che guido, facciamo una passeggiata. Let's take a walk.
After our heavy lunch, we can do a walk, but by car, because Gianca is lazy. No, to be honest, it's just because it's raining, and so we don't want to to wet ourselves.
Okay, it's better you show the coastline.
Buongiorno everyone, ciao Matteo and Cita, ciao Frank. Good morning to our friends, to our beautiful family of Sicily Lovers all around the world. It's a rainy day here in Sicily, and we are trying to do a short walking, but it's impossible because it's still raining. But as you know, we never give up, and so we decide to take the car and to have just a little tour, just to wish you happy Sunday and send you our positive vibes. Oh, rainy in Florida today also, so we have the same weather.
We are sharing the same weather.
Even if we have an ocean between us, but we can share the same weather.
So I think we can stop.
Yeah, my family lives in Carini. Oh, that's your hometown.
So I think, Rosella, we can stop here.
But we have to take our umbrella.
Yeah, sure. Let's park
Oh,
the car here.
so peaceful today, because
Okay.
of course it's not the best day to...
Stay.
Oh.
I take your umbrella.
Oh, look at Gianca,
and I
gentleman. Guys, don't believe this. Normally Gianca doesn't do this.
Guys, I'm a slave, you know. Rosella is the master. I'm just a slave. So, come with me, Rosella.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at the...
It's raining very...
Look at the color of the water. Oh, beautiful.
Guys, let us know if the audio is good, if the quality of the live broadcast is good, and let us know your day.
Perhaps we can say something about the place where we are now, Rosella. Take the umbrella, thank you. So I switch, just to say, we are in the coastline of Carini. Carini is a village in the province of Palermo. Actually, the area of Carini is very large, and it includes also a beautiful coastline. So Carini, the village, is in on the top of a hill, about more or less 600 feet above sea level. Now, of course, we are
at sea level.
At sea level. So the atmosphere is very, very strange. We are in Sicily. Actually, we are in Sicily, but it's so strange. We can see some smoke, some clouds. But now we are in the baglio di Carini. The baglio in Italian is a little village where the fishermen, the ancient fishermen, used to have their houses and also store their boats, their fish boats.
So we can say that is one of the first fishermen insediamento place.
Fishing villages.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the, I don't know, one of the oldest. We have many fishing villages in Sicily, many old fishing villages. This is one of them. Yeah, actually, Icara is the ancient name of Carini. Carini was inhabited since the Neolithic, so the prehistoric times, and so before the Phoenicians, before the Arabs. So perhaps people used to live here a lot of centuries ago. But I don't want to speak at all now. I want to show you the baglio, the small village, just a few houses, and the and the landscape. Now I can show you the smoggy landscape. So those mountains separate the area of Carini from the area of Palermo. That is named Capogallo, where the famous Mondello Beach is located. Again, that is the island of women. Look at that. Isola delle Femmine in Italian. Now it's a nature reserve, and also is the same name of the village. We have a village just there. Sorry for my big finger. I'm zoomed now. So, and now I want to show you. So this is a natural port. So actually we are talking about small coves. There are two beautiful small coves here, and now Rosella and I will show you the baglio. In the meantime, it stopped rain.
Yes.
So Rosella can close the umbrella.
I think that the Sicily Lovers power stopped the rain.
Yeah,
so thank you.
It's stronger than any problems, than any issues. So this is the second cove. So as you can see, it's a natural cove. It was used just like a port for the old fishermen. And this is the baglio with the small boats, the fishing boats. Now they are restoring this area. As you can see, this is a beautiful watchtower behind Rosella. And Rosella, would you like to enter the baglio?
Yes, follow me.
Remember that is a private residence location.
So
People are living there.
So I have to speak
very low.
low. It's hard for me. So that's the name, baglio di Carini. Oh, I love the fishing boat.
So picturesque, so colored.
So nice and so small. So as you can see, people still live here.
Oh, that's a beautiful fig tree.
Two months and we can have our figs. Oh, look at that corner.
Yeah, this is so authentic.
Look at that. You can translate for our friends.
Nell'anno 2008, il giorno 10 luglio, la bella Madonna delle Grazie, con lo splendore della sua immagine, è venuta nel suo centenario a visitare il nostro baglio. So it seems that Madonna, the Virgin, appeared here in this location on July 28. Somebody saw the Virgin here. And again, this is the writing on the wall. This is the baglio di Carini. So for those who have an origin here in Carini, this is a special location. Oh, more fishing boat there. So look at the Italian colors.
Wow, the Italian flag.
The green, the white and the red of the Italian flag.
Che fanno? Sittiamo e chiacchieriamo anticchia con l'amici nostri, ti va? Would you like to spend some minutes with our friends?
Let me show the airplane. An airplane is landing. We are close to the airport of Palermo. The water is so cold. Also very clear. How do you say, guys? Pristine or clear? I never learned the difference between pristine and clear.
It's Frank guilty. Frank is the guilty.
So this is a small beach, a small cove. They used to, just like a port, a small harbor for boats. So actually that is Carini. I'm gonna switch you. I'm gonna zoom it. I'm gonna zoom. So Carini, as you can see, is not above sea level, at sea level. It's higher, about 600 feet above sea level. And that's the coastline to Capaci. Now you can see Capaci. And that is Isola delle Femmine. The village that takes the name of the island of women. In Italian, Isola delle Femmine. There is a legend behind this beautiful little isle. They say bad women were brought there. Bad women, i mali femmine, come Rosella, che è una mala femmina.
So, do you want to say that I would stay there?
No,
It's my island?
out of the joke. There is a Spanish watchtower above the isle. One of the hundreds of Spanish watchtowers all along the coastline of Sicily. It has a defense system, a defense purpose. So all the watchtowers were connected each other. So nothing more than a watchtower. But the ancient Sicilians, our ancestors, thought it was a prison, and they said, if you are bad, you go there. I bring you there. In particular, I don't know why the legend says this. In particular, bad women, and so the name, the island of women, l'isola delle femmine. But actually, no bad women live there. Never.
So don't worry.
If you visit Sicily now and you wanna go there, you can't, because it's a
nature
reserve, but 100% nature reserve. So it's forbidden to go there, because there are some particular kind of vegetation, plants and animals, in particular a kind of lizard that only lives there. So it's forbidden to walk in the island, in the isle, because it's nothing more than a isle. But it's so fascinating, so charming. Perhaps because of thanks of the legend. What else, Rosella? Would you like to stay with me?
Yes, I would like to sit
like
and relax with our friends.
Okay. Come on.
Do you want to jump in the water?
Come on.
So take the camera, please.
Yeah.
Forse da quel lato dovremmo, così si vede quel panorama là. Ci sediamo all'incontrario. Che dici?
Tu vieni, siediti qua.
Here, maybe. Okay. Guys, how are you? We miss you so much, but we are working so hard, so hard to bring the best of Sicily to you.
Yeah, so we are not guilty. There is a reason why we are, absent. We are not
So constant with the live broadcast. So first of all, we are working, as you know, on our beautiful Sicily Lover project, the biggest, we can say that this will be the biggest made in Sicily online store. And
I would say more than a online store,
Yeah.
because our project is not only regarding the selling of Sicilian products. Our project is to promote the people, the beautiful people who are behind these beautiful artworks.
to share with you their story, and of course to preserve some ancient tradition that are going to disappear.
Yeah.
Because the most of these
Crafts.
are requires a lot of patience, a lot of skills,
A lot of time.
a lot of time.
It's
It's a time-consuming job, and
Yeah.
so now
nobody wanna do it. Nobody wanna make this effort to keep these beautiful masterpieces alive.
Yeah.
So I mean the pottery makers. I mean the Sicilian card makers. I mean some jewelry makers. Some painters who still make the old Sicilian tradition.
and we
so
want to preserve our
the
culture.
basket makers.
The basket makers.
Basket makers is something very very difficult to find in Sicily anymore, because it's very very time-consuming job, and so thanks to Claudio, Rosella, people like Daniela.
Yes, don't forget Daniela. Please look at this at this hat. So beautiful.
Not only the hats, also my hat. Not only the hats. Look at the
Also
show.
Wow,
This is handmade.
handmade, and it requires a lot of time, and also the textile, the wool, the cotton. We want to use only the best in Italian.
Organic wool, without any danger for your health, and so our project it is also the purpose to promote those people. So we are shooting a lot of videos. We are editing those videos to make those people, how do you say, just like celebrity, because they deserve to be celebrities.
Yeah, they
So
deserve.
not only the item, not only the product, but people behind those products. And so, yesterday Rosella and I made a count. I don't know if it's correct.
We check the time.
So the question is, we are so busy now because we are working on our website.
Because we are uploading all the artworks.
All the items in the website is not so easy. At the starting point of our adventure, we thought it was not a joke, but it was easier. Now we realize that it's not easy at all, because there are hundreds of different items to upload in the website. And yesterday, Rosella and I made a count. So we realized, how do you say, how does it take to upload just one item? It's 9 minutes. 9 minutes if you have the content, the information ready. So if you have already written all the information, the dimensions, if you have the pictures of the item ready to upload, so you have everything ready, then the time that occurs to upload a single item is 9 minutes.
If you think how many products we will include in our shop.
Yeah, because we have to upload dimensions, photos, codes, because each item has its own code.
The
materials,
also the details,
the descriptions, the details of each items, and so guys,
and
it's so incredible.
I can say, Gianca, the name we are trying to find.
This is a surprise.
This is a surprise.
We are doing something very funny for us, and we hope it's also funny for you. We put an official name
in English,
beside each item, beside each product. For example, this is the shawl in English.
But the name.
But we put beside a Sicilian name. Sometimes it's a very hilarious name, and so each item has his own Sicilian name.
And so we can preserve also our Sicilian language, and you can learn the translation in Sicilian. What do you think about this idea, guys?
Write in the comments. Allora, today is Sunday. Again, the weather is not good, but we don't give up. We are trying to do our best to be positive, to give you good vibes. This is the best we can now. We didn't say nothing at all about our situation, our health situation. In Sicily, we are in the level 3. It means we have colors in Italy, not danger levels. I'm talking about the virus, of course. So the Italian situation so divides the
regions.
The region in colors. So we have white. It stands for the level 1 or 0.
Yeah.
We have the yellow. When the danger is a little bit more, it's the level 2. Then we have the orange, it's level 3, and the red, it's level 4. Now in Sicily we are in level 3. This is a very hard question, hard situation, because there are many villages in Sicily where they have no positive people at all. They don't have victims. They don't have no issues. Okay, but they, of course, they are included in the same region, and so the Sicilian government decided to give Sicily this level, and we have to respect this rule.
That's why also we can't leave our town.
Yeah, we can go away from the area of Carini.
Yeah.
But it's like things are getting better because they are
talking about the health passport from the 1st June.
Yeah.
So
And,
our fingers are crossed.
But more important, they are talking about the possibility to go to restaurants, to go
To open
gym,
again, yeah.
to go nightclubs again from late April.
Yeah.
And so this is a very, very important opportunity for a lot of people, because the restaurant owners, a lot of people are suffering this situation.
Yeah.
So the possibility to enjoy a meal, to enjoy a dinner at the restaurant, I think it's a game changer now, and so everybody's waiting for this
Anche
date.
perché noi oggi femmine siamo consumati con questi ristoranti chiusi, perché stiamo a cucinare sempre a noi questi mascoli. E so, per favore, rapite questi ristoranti, perché noi oggi femmine non ne potremo più ricucinare sempre e di stare a casa.
This is the Sicilian time, Rosella Sicilian time. Okay.
Ma they love my Sicilian time, you know.
Picciotto, non faremo più. Chi sta in usucco e chisto. We look forward. We cannot wait the day they will open everything. And of course, as Rosella said at the beginning, we are waiting for the health passport. It means all people who will be vaccinated can travel to Italy, to Sicily, without any restrictions. So they are talking not only in Sicily, in Italy in general, and in all European countries to give this opportunity to people who have been vaccinated. And so that will be the again, the starting point, to breathe again, to see the normality, to see the light out of the tunnel. And
Because
so,
as you know, also I missed the opportunity to share with you the beautiful festivals that
Yeah.
we have in Sicily.
Yeah.
If you have been following us for a while, you remember me every Sunday all around Sicily to show you some beautiful festival.
and not only the festival, also the religious
Also,
events,
yeah,
because
huh?
Easter, for example, is an important
Yes.
period of the year dedicated
Yeah.
on the mystery,
Yeah.
the religious mysteries.
And nothing this year.
There are beautiful events in
Procession
April.
also.
Yeah, celebrations in general, but now everything is forbidden,
Yeah,
and so everybody's looking forward to enjoying the normal life again.
Yeah.
And
And
what
so
else?
We, for example, in 1 month, normally we have the beautiful Infiorata in Noto.
Yeah,
I
the
went.
last Sunday in May,
Yes.
the fourth Sunday. Of May.
Yes, in
Noto is
I
wonderful.
went there 2 years
So
ago.
the flower event in Noto, if you know Infiorata, you know what I mean. It's a beautiful event, and I
You
think
can check our past live broadcast
Yeah.
because I went there 2 years ago. And guys, if you follow us only for some months, I would like to suggest you to
if
check
they
it.
have been following us.
Sorry. Please check our past live broadcast because we have a lot of live broadcast all around Sicily before the virus, of course.
Oh, look
This
at
is
the
important.
fishes.
Wow, can you switch? Maybe you can see or no?
What do you think they are?
Oh,
Anionata?
I don't know. Maybe you have to cross that point.
I can see now very small
Small.
fish, just like this. I try to switch.
Try to switch.
In Sicilian, I don't know what they are, but perhaps they are the anionata,
Baby fish. we can say.
anannata, baby fish. Yeah. Vediamo. I try to zoom. Can you see the fishes? No, I don't think so. Allora,
Mettiamo in caca e leggiamo un po' i commenti, che ci sono un po' i commenti. Girati,
aspetta.
un carrere in all'acqua.
Solo chi su ci manca?
Ti sussisti?
Sì, tieni qua. Fabio, divertiti. Ti inquadro io?
No, tu devi stare qua con me a leggere.
Guarda che sono belle quelle piante.
Wow, the landscape, the seascape behind me is beautiful.
You have the microphone upside down.
So it's time to answer your questions. So if you have some question, please write in the comments and we will reply. Sit down, please, Gianca.
I'm afraid. I'm scared.
Let me start from
Don't
the
kill
beginning.
me, please.
No.
Don't use this opportunity to kill me. So
Ciao.
from the beginning, Dana
Yeah.
Naples, mwah. Matteo Enzita, mwah. Frank Tormina, mwah. So Ray
Bazzano, sta
Bazzano.
piovendo, sai?
It's raining everywhere.
Yes, in Sicilian we say sta piovendo. It's raining. We can say sta piovendo.
Sta piovendo.
Now, no, because
Now it's good.
you stop the rain.
The Sicilian power, the Sicily Lover power is stronger than any bad weather.
Rosario from Australia.
I need my glasses. I can see just
Tina,
the names.
my family lives in Solarino. I love Sicily.
Solarino is in Syracuse, province of Syracuse.
Yeah. Vince.
ciao Vince. Vai avanti. Audio is good. Oh, this is the starting point of
Ninfa
our...
Leoni, buongiorno from Chicago.
Marifetta, Roseanne, ciao. Katie
Katie.
O'Brien.
Good morning, Sicily Lovers.
Debbie Lamartina, buongiorno. Mark, Lionel. I'm going to Sicilia next year, and everybody
Wait for you. Everybody wants to come to
waits for
Sicily.
you. Maria Bosco, Vancouver.
We have our friend Nerina in Vancouver.
Same town, from the same town of Nerina. Yeah. James Locarro,
San
ciao.
Diego.
What about the weather in San Diego? I don't think it's rainy also in San Diego.
Wow. Oh, Ray, we had snow in Boston 2 days ago. Oh,
Wonderful.
wow.
Judy Anderson, I'm from the center of USA, Omaha, Nebraska.
We have a lot of Sicily Lovers in Nebraska.
We are ready to have a beautiful call on May the 1st.
Yes.
With the community from Nebraska. You know, we are planning the trip to Sicily for these beautiful people.
To celebrate the Santa Lucia festival in August.
In August. We hope, guys, that in August everything will be over. So we will be ready to host you and to give you the possibility to enjoy a great time in Sicily without any restrictions. So guys, this is so important for everyone.
It will be a dream for me.
Yeah, because
Start again with this beautiful and big group.
we are working on this group, on this trip to Sicily for 3 years.
Yeah,
We used to tell this story every time. We had the first email from Sherry Kanger, one of the organizers of this beautiful community, of this group in Omaha, Nebraska. We had the first email 3 years ago, and we cannot expect that world would have changed so quickly, so fast. But now we are, I think we are running to be again, I just say, in a regular position.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead.
Let's pray.
Judy Marie Viviano, buongiorno da Detroit. Buongiorno a te, Maria. Marilyn Schiavone, ciao. Lulu
from Montreal.
Lulu La Senza, ciao. A lot of people from Montreal.
Yeah.
Michael
Anthony.
Ciao. Linda Ortiz Castillo, ciao. Angela Artura, listening to you in Sicilian. A parlare siciliano più spesso.
Parlare siciliano.
Allora, se noi parliamo siciliano, è bello effettivamente, perché facciamo un favore, prima di tutto, a nostra terra, a nostra tradizione. Facciamo felici i nostri antenati, i nostri nanni, perché se ne sentissero parlare siciliano, si priassero. E quindi fondamentalmente noi andiamo a parlare più spesso siciliano, Rosella, perché il siciliano non si va a perdere. I said, for those who didn't understand nothing, I said we have to speak in Sicilian more often than we do, because Sicilian is also another important tradition that we are losing, something that risks to disappear, because nobody talks Sicilian as before. Young generations don't speak Sicilian at all. Perhaps they are better than me and Rosella in English, but they don't speak Sicilian at all. So it's a pity. It's a shame, and we have to speak Sicilian because our ancestors, I think, I don't say they will be happy. I say they are happy because they can see from above.
Yeah.
They can hear us from above, and if we speak Sicilian, if we speak their language, they are proud of us. So
yeah.
Let's keep the Sicilian flag very, very high in the sky.
And I think they are also proud of our beautiful community of Sicily lovers, because we want to keep your connection, the connection with your homeland, alive and strong every day.
Well said, Rosella. Let's go ahead. So now we have, I help you?
So we have Michael, Anthony.
Ciao guys. So I see you're wearing Gianca's earrings. Beautiful.
You are right.
But this is not the right. Oh no, this is good. I don't know why. Because it's wrong
This
way.
is my birthday gift from Gianca, handmade. Maybe Gianca can work.
I didn't say.
Maybe.
Last week we were in Terracini, in the beach between Terracini and Cinisi. The name is Magaggiarri, and we collected a lot of pumice stones because thanks of the bad weather, we had very high waves. The pumice stones reached this location, this area of Sicily. Do you know where they come from, guys? This is a question for you. It's very difficult to find the natural pumice here in Sicily, except one place. Only one place in Sicily is so popular, so famous for the pumice, and it is the island of Lipari in the Aeolian archipelago. So we are talking about very long distance. So the pumice stones left Lipari because of the bad weather. There is a beautiful white cliff made of pumice. So the high water, the high waves broke some stones, some little stones, and the sea streams brought the stones to Terracini, about I don't know, 100 miles away.
Yeah, maybe more.
Maybe more. Just like the Etna sand, the Etna little stones during the eruption, the last eruptions. If you've been watching one of the last broadcasts, the area of Catania has been covered by sand, by lava pebbles, lava little stones from Mount Etna. But we had the same sand also in Palermo. This is incredible. So the lava sand made about 150 miles.
Yeah.
It's incredible. So we went to Giare, we went to Catania 3 weeks ago, more or less.
More or less, yeah.
And we didn't collect it. We had a gift from some people who collect the lava pebbles, the lava stones. So we have at home 2 sockets, two bags of lava stones, and perhaps I don't know. Perhaps Gianca will make something special for you.
For me or for our Sicily lovers?
You had your opportunity. Now it's time of our friends.
Okay.
No, guys, I'm joking. I'm joking. I will make a prototype for Rosella. If you like, you can say, okay, Gianca, please make me my own earrings or necklace. I made for Rosella. So let me switch again. Because I wanna show the details. Where are you? Mettiti bene, che se no non si capisce. Te lo posso shippare?
Sì? Lo prendo io?
Ok. So, Sicily shape pumice earrings. This is the, how do you say, the width? Length. So very, very small, handmade. This is the right
Everything is handmade, like this also. Junk again. Look at
Sorry.
this.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
No, I didn't. I didn't make it. This is Daniela's work.
Yes.
Daniela, the queen of crochet.
Yeah.
So
Let's go on.
I had the opportunity to collect some pumice stones and perhaps some colors, some jewelry,
Pendant, maybe.
some pendants will born.
Maybe.
Will be created. Will born is not correct. Will be created. Vai avanti, go away. Amoninni, cammina. Vediamo che cosa dicono i nostri amici. Judy Anderson, in Omaha, we celebrate Santa Lucia Festival, parading a statue. Statue. She's the patron.
Frank is watching you.
Yeah, the big brother Frank is watching me, and he bites me when I say statue. So again, in Omaha, we celebrate Santa Lucia Festival, parading her statue. She's the patron saint of Carlentini, and many immigrants live here. My husband's family is from Carlentini. A fun time. Yeah, I forgot to say the big group from Omaha will visit Sicily next August. It will be a big tour of Sicily. We plan this tour with a lot of passion. But the final point, the highest point of the tour will be Carlentini, of course, because the group has an origin in Carlentini, and so we will be involved in the beautiful parade, the procession of Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia? Who's Santa Lucia?
It's the patron saint of Carlentini and was a martyr. We can say.
Who does she protect?
She protects the ice.
The ice.
And she's the saint of the light, we can say.
Yeah, she's just like a goddess.
Yeah.
More than a saint. She's a goddess, the goddess of light, of sight. So many people are devoted.
Yes.
I don't know if it's correct, but many people pray for Santa Lucia all around the world. There are two different celebrations in Sicily, one in August in Carlentini, and one in December 13, in Syracuse, because Santa Lucia is also the patron saint of Syracuse.
Yeah.
They have a different celebration. In Palermo, for example, we used to make cuccia, we used to make rice balls. We don't eat any
pasta,
meat, any pasta.
Only arancini.
for air, because we don't have any meat, just in sign of respect to Santa Lucia.
Yeah.
So Judy, I don't know if you are involved in the group. If you are in the group, we look forward to meeting you in person. Donna Naples, you are wearing your birthday gift from Gianca.
Yes.
Donna is very, how do you say, attenta. Attenta, I don't know where.
Attenta.
Careful. No, attenta is not the same meaning.
No, it's not. I have to check later.
I mean, you are a good watcher.
Yeah.
Ok, vai avanti. Linda Toschi, over 3 million people have died. What plan could that be? It's a hard question, but the situation in Italy is not so bad as they describe, as they say, because we are good. This is not my matter. I don't want to talk about this because Facebook could close the channel immediately. But this is an harder question, harder than me. I will say more, but I can say. But don't give up. I only say this: don't give up. Don't
shine on.
Shine on, and don't. I do say.
Don't watch too much TV. Don't read.
Don't believe. Don't believe what they say. 100% of what they say. use your brain sometimes. Go away. Go out. Sorry. Go ahead. Mirella. Hugs and kisses from Nova Scotia, Canada. Mwah! Mirella, you too. Katie Tringale. I visit Erice and love their stuff. Will have this item in your store.
Which items?
What do you mean? I think you mean the potteries, because we are involving a lot of pottery makers. Because Sicily is now a world famous land for pottery making, for the ceramics.
And it's a long tradition here in Sicily.
Yeah, every village has its own tradition. You know Caltagirone, you know Santo Stefano di Camastra, Alcamo, Burgio, Sciacca. There are many villages, many different styles, many patterns, different geometrical designs.
But all the items included in our online store respect the tradition, the Sicilian tradition, and so you can fill your home with the beautiful and joyful colors of Sicily.
Yeah. So the question, Kati's question, I would like to answer. Kati, not yet, because we have to involve more and more pottery producers, makers. So it's not the time to involve the Erice's producers yet, but we will go there because they deserve to be in the project, for sure. Also in Burgio. Burgio, for example, is another important ceramic school here in Sicily.
I think that this is an endless project, Gianca.
Yeah. Please, give us the opportunity to start.
Yeah.
And then we can... We can upgrade, update the project step by step. But first we have to start, and then you never know. As Rosella said, this is an endless project.
Yes, of course.
Buongiorno Enrica, buongiorno da Brooklyn. Ciao.
Ciao Maria Carmela Piazza.
Ciao Raymond from Chicago. Ciao Maria Bosco.
Oh, Norina is my friend. I was born in Siciliana.
Siciliana is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at the video on YouTube. Not on Facebook, on YouTube. Rosella and I uploaded a 4K video with the drone, with beautiful clips dedicated to Siciliana, and also the area between Sciacca and Scala dei Turchi, Real Monte, the area, if you have origin in Cattolica Eraclea Minoa, they are beautiful places.
Yeah.
Look at those videos on our YouTube channel, because the quality is better.
Which is the name of our YouTube channel?
I don't know.
Maybe
perhaps it's the same.
Maybe best things to do in Sicily? I would like
same
to remind.
Same name. Best things to do in Sicily.
And please subscribe, of course.
Yeah, we need to
Not
to
only
increase.
subscribe, you also need to turn on the bell.
Yeah, because if you turn the bell on, you receive our alerts.
Yeah.
And so you know when we go live and when we upload new videos.
Yeah.
Kim Francavilla.
It's supposed to snow in Omaha tomorrow. Oh.
Kim, if this can make you happier, also in Sicily. In the area of Mount Etna, it's snowing a lot.
Yeah.
Not only the top, but also the medium part, the medium level of the volcano now is completely covered by snow.
Yeah. Oh, Kim, I'm going to be on that trip hopeful. Oh, we can wait to meet you in person.
Wow. Joseph, your family comes from Bagheria.
We have to go to Bagheria.
We have to go there.
Yeah.
We have to go. It's not easy, but we have to go
everywhere.
Everywhere in Sicily. We will go there. This is for sure.
Enrica miss going to Sicily. My family lives in Isnello.
Oh, wow,
Check
beautiful.
our past live broadcast because I went to Isnello also.
Isnello is one of the most beautiful villages in the Madonia area.
Oh yes, Rosella visited them for their fall festival 2 years ago.
She
Sorry,
watched. She watched
I
it.
didn't check.
Troppo caldo, Augusto. Ray Bazzano. No. Now everything is completely uncertain.
Yeah.
So
Even the
August,
weather.
July, February. We had great time in February. We had bad time in April. We had in the last years great time in August. Not so hot and hot days in October. You never know. You
Yeah.
never know. My husband is from Montallegro. Oh, also Maria Bosco. Wow. Angela Artura, Seattle is sunny today.
Seattle.
Yeah. Seattle.
Seattle.
Seattle. I don't know. Which is the right pronunciation?
I don't know.
I only know that Seattle is the land of Jimi Hendrix, Nirvana, Pearl Jam, and this is enough for me. I would like to move there just for this. To listen great music.
Angela Artura miss my Italian family in Petralia Soprana.
Wow, another
I
beautiful
went there,
village in the Madonia.
I love the Madonia area. I love all the villages around the Madonia Nature Reserve. Beautiful, so authentic. Tina, love you both.
Ciao Tina. Mua. Ciao Giovanni Lo Piccolo.
Giovanni.
Mua. Wow. Donna Naples, I know you're busy, but are you planning another cooking class? Yeah. When we finish the Sicily Lover project, the first thing we will do is another cooking class.
But it's also not only due to this project. It's also because we had a lot of lockdown, so
Yeah.
it's hard
Yeah.
to plan a cooking class.
We were planning a cooking class with a chef in Sciacca, and we had to skip it because we can go there. So there are many broken possibilities,
Yeah.
and so we have to wait. And this is but the first reason,
Yeah.
frankly speaking, is because we are working on our Sicily Lover project. But as soon as we finish the project and the lockdown restrictions are over, we jump straight to the
For another big party.
yeah, we need it because
Yes.
we miss this energy.
Yes.
Ray Bazzano capisce tutto.
Ciao Vince, my family is from Cefalù.
Beautiful Cefalù. Michael Anthony, it's called the flu. Monica Mialsea, sì, grazie per tutto, mi piace sentirvi parlare nel siciliano. Mua. Tom, good morning Tom. Maria Bosco, la mia, mi piace assai la
Mi
lingua.
piace lingua siciliana.
She says she likes so much the
Yeah.
Sicilian languages.
Ciao Katie. My grandparents are from Augusta.
Augusta in the province of Syracuse, yeah. Love Cefalù, Lingo Antiguo, Genis Dolce. I think you will be very busy when you open up for visitors. And yes, I too would love to learn the ancient language of my grandparents. I think this is a common need.
Yeah.
And this is so precious. Yeah. This is a noble need.
Yeah.
So everybody should keep his own tradition alive. We don't have to do it for ourselves. First of all, for our ancestors, because they deserve this and more than this.
Yeah, you are right. Sometimes you are
Sometimes I'm right. If Rosella says I'm right, I have to worry.
Eva!
Ciao Eva! Ciao!
Maria Carmelo Piazza, bello in Sacramento, so they have good time in California.
So the west side of USA is good.
Tina, love your hat and scarf. Yes.
Scarf.
Beautiful.
Scarf. Ray
No
non scrive siciliano, solo
parla.
parla. Ok, non ti preoccupare, Ray. Noi non ti scrivemo, ti parliamo solo in siciliano, non ti scriviamo, non te ne mandiamo licce, non leggere niente, noi ti parliamo.
Katie, sending love and kisses from Minneapolis.
Minneapolis.
Minneapolis. Sorry. So, Terry.
Happy Sandy from Gloucester. I can read? Ah, okay.
Sherry.
Sherry, mwah!
See you
in a week.
in a week, more or less.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, thank you, Sherry.
Thanks to my hearings, of
Yes.
course.
And my hat, of course.
And Daniela said.
Yes. As one, earrings. Earrings are beautiful, unique and beautiful. Maybe Gianca, you
So
need
I have a future,
you have a future.
like a earrings maker.
Yes.
Guys, pray for I'm the possibility in the position to collect more pumice stones
I
because
think you need a lot of quantity of
or
pumice.
I have to
buy.
I have to go to Lipari.
Oh, maybe.
But
Maybe.
now it's forbidden to
Yeah.
take the stones out of the cliff. But as I said, it's a natural process. When the high waves, the sea is not calm and breaks the cliff. Sea transports little stones everywhere, and if you are lucky like me, you can find these stones on the beach, and this is what I did.
So we have to check every day.
So I have to
Gianca.
check to make many earrings for
Because
you.
I think that our Sicily lovers would like to have.
Okay, I accept the deal.
Yes, we hope to see in Carlentini.
We will be there. Don't worry.
Ciao Filippo. Ciao Lucy.
But oh, this is beautiful. Cute couple.
Are you sure we are a couple? We don't know.
She's cuter than me,
Of course.
of course.
And they know.
I am just, how do you say?
A bad boy, I can say.
No, you are the main character. I'm the, I don't know in English. I forgot the name.
The second guest? I don't know.
No, it's.
Katie, yes, pottery. Dora, buona domenica da Chicago.
Filippo Palazzolo, ciao
Ciao
da
da
Cinisi.
Cinisi.
Filippo, noi che siamo? Non è che siamo tanto lontani. Quanto saranno? 2 chilometri, 3 chilometri. Qua siamo al confine con Dacia e Torre Pozzillo, quindi siamo praticamente vicini.
Debra from Orlando, Florida.
In
Nina.
Argento, ciao from Canada, my family from Sicily. I love Sicily, I can wait to go back. And
We wait for
we
you.
can wait too.
Ciao Sam Chiarello.
Ciao from Gresham. Ciao da Torino. Oh,
Oh,
ciao.
We have also Sicily lovers in Italy.
Sure, because Sicily is beloved from many people, not only Americans or Australian, also Italians who don't live in Sicily.
It's true.
This is an opportunity to say hello to all Sicily lovers around
The
the
world.
universe, because perhaps there are Sicily lovers in Mars, in Jupiter,
Yes,
in
of
Andromeda, in another dimensions. So you never know.
Ciao Serafina. Mirella. Maria Bosco Pinzerone, thank you. I will definitely check your YouTube channel.
Thank
Susan.
you. Ciao Susan.
Tua cucina.
Mi cucina Susan.
You said it right, Gianca.
I like your music taste, Gianca. Sherry, of course. We are in synchrony. We have been talking about many other topics, and I already know that we are in synchrony. So we say in Italian, I put my hand on the fire when you are sure then something happens. So I can put my hand on the fire about your mindset, about your music taste. it could not be differently.
Yeah, yeah.
The problem is Rosella. She doesn't know who's Jimi Hendrix, who Pearl Jam are, Nirvana.
You are right. No, sorry, you are wrong.
Who are Pearl Jam?
I know Pearl Jam.
Pearl Jam?
I know
Did you see Eddie Vedder
Eddie
with me?
Vedder.
Oh, she
Yeah.
saw Eddie Vedder with me. I forgot it.
It's a good singer.
Eddie Vedder is a god. He's not a singer. And we have been so lucky to watch an Eddie Vedder concert performance in Taormina.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, in the ancient theater of Taormina. Eddie Vedder was in Sicily. So
Wow. So amazing.
nobody can resist the attraction of Sicily.
Yeah. And in this period we have also
For those who don't know who's
Mick
Eddie
Jagger
Vedder,
also we have.
this is another chapter. But for those who don't know who's Eddie Vedder, Eddie Vedder is the singer and guitar hero from Pearl Jam, a rock band from Seattle. Chapter 2, let me talk about one of the most famous Englishmen ever, Mr. Mick Jagger, the singer from Rolling Stones, who has been living in Sicily for 8 months. So perhaps is moving to stay forever in Sicily.
And he wrote also a song, no?
He wrote a song. He composed a new song last days. They released a new song. I don't remember the name, but so it's so funny because he was in the area of Syracuse, Noto. Then he went to Palermo.
He's traveling around
He
Sicily.
played the organ in the Cathedral of Monreale. He visited the Royal Palace in Palermo. He went to the Valley of the Temple in Agrigento, and he still stays in Sicily.
Yeah.
So
He fell in love with Sicily.
So it's
and it's very easy.
it's very, very easy to fall in love with Sicily. Go ahead.
Ciao Susan from Mississippi.
Ciao.
La vostra diretta va via spesso, però gli altri non ce l'hanno scritto. Tom. And then
Joy Powell, I miss Italy so much. I lived there in the 80s. As a child, the best food ever.
Yeah.
I agree with you. Susan grandparents are from Cefalù.
And Palermo. Then we have
Nina Argento from Agrigento.
Oh, Susan, I'm going back home from the beach.
Wow.
Wow, she lives in Florida.
Of course.
Tom, recovering from surgery and happy to see you both in this morning. Oh, sorry.
We didn't saw it.
No.
We didn't know it.
How are you now?
Hope you're fine. Everything is over.
Please send us a message so we can have more news about you.
Opting nothing special, nothing bad, but
We send you a big, big hug.
Paul Darnier, Texas. Crum. Ciao, Paul.
Then we have
I live in Pinnetumari. I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
Pinnetumari. In 1980.
Earl?
Earl. Ciao from Leper, Michigan. Ciao Rosalba. Ciao Maria again. Thank you so much. So Rosalba says you are the supporting actor.
Oh,
I don't
this is
know.
no.
This is good, but I didn't think this. I think less than this. Walking part, perhaps walking part. There is a lyrics in the "Wish You Were Here" song. Let me remind the lyrics. Walking part, yeah. Walking part in the war, yeah. So I'm the walking part beside Rosella.
E amoni finisce la
Rosella is the
preparazione.
guest star. I'm the walking
Of course,
part.
look at me.
She's the celebrity. I'm nothing more than a slave. And now I jump in the water.
We are all ready to get back to Sicily. Yes, you are right, Tom.
Oh, a lot of people love Nirvana, love my music, Rosella. Oh, this is my
Vincenzo loves
my
your
revenge.
new glasses.
They are not good. They are just a joke. I only love the color. But they are not professional glasses, just to read your comments. Rolling Stones make us in Sicily. We have to see him in August. Yeah.
Ora ci chiamiamo, io c'hai un numero e ti organizzo un bel appuntamento. Now I'm going to plan a private appointment for you.
A
With
private
Mick.
meeting. Perhaps Mick can sing something for the Omaha group.
Yeah, maybe.
Wow. Josie Genoa Cinquemani. My parents are from Vita, Trapani.
Trapani.
We've been to Vita a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
Vita is a village near Salemi. Yeah, I remember very well. What is Mount Etna up to?
Ah, she's calm so far.
No,
No,
now it's not erupting anymore, but it's covered by snow. It's a very winter landscape now. Cleveland, ciao Rosy. The sidekick.
Che significa, sai?
No, this is so hilarious. Mirella, you're right. I'm nothing more than a... Yeah, nothing.
Oh, sorry. Ok.
Se siete a Pozzillo, quella caletta contiene la cava... Fammi leggere. Dove è stato estratto il materiale per realizzare la torre del 1615. Comunque il vostro panorama della perla è specchiato a causa della videocamera. Rolling Stones, Teatro Greco di Siracusa. It would be a dream if they would sing, if they would play in the ancient theater of Syracuse. It would be amazing.
Oh, Gianca, a question for you. Donna, from Donna.
Aspetta che mi metto un po' meglio perché qua mi dicono, scrivono...
E la cava qua dice che è stato estratto...
So, Filippo Palazzolo wrote, we are in the location where they they took the stones to make Torre Pozzillo. Torre Pozzillo is the famous watchtower where we used to go very, very often.
Yeah.
We are in the area of Carini. Torre Pozzillo is in the custom, in the, how do you say, in the edge between Cinisi and Carini. Thanks, grazie Filippo per questa informazione. It's a beautiful watchtower, a beautiful symbol of this area, and we hope Torre Pozzillo will have the opportunity to breathe again, to live again, because now it's closed because was abandoned. Some people used to come in, to get in, and make some damages, and so we hope to show you a beautiful Torre Pozzillo in the next future.
Right. There
Andiamo
is a
avanti.
question for you, Gianca.
Where is the question?
Donna Naples.
Are you doing anything with your garden yet?
They are curious about your garden.
Dana, I'm waiting to pick the tomatoes. This year, I didn't plant any vegetables but tomatoes. And cherry tomatoes, datterino tomatoes, and some red hot chili peppers. Nothing more than this. Because last year we planted the eggplants, the zucchini, onions, and I was disappointed by the eggplants, in particular by the eggplants. But not only me. Many people like me had no harvest. I mean the eggplants. So they grew very, very small and then they died suddenly. Not only my eggplants, in general.
Wow,
So,
Tom, I have 8 cucuzza plants growing.
Tom, please, send me a cucuzza. Because qua stiamo facendo una fame, upitito. Here, this is a very, very bad situation.
Se io aspetta chisto, un naio nentu, can uscite chisto?
But today we had a special pasta with cucuzza,
Yeah.
with zucchini. My mother gifted me a special pasta with zucchini. So actually the situation is not so bad. My garden situation is bad because I'm not professional, but we can find excellent zucchini in Sicily if you want.
Yeah, not made by Gianca.
Not Gianca's zucchini.
Better if you only do earrings.
Yeah. I will be involved in the earrings making. Vai avanti.
Finemmo qua.
Finemmo, ok.
Finemmo.
Allora, vi lasciamo con una bella immagine.
Giriamo.
We wanna end this broadcast
Ma ne potremo su,
with the beautiful landscape behind us. I try to get up. Come on, Rosella. Allora, I switch. Ok. So beautiful. I make a very slow pan, 360 degrees pan. So again, this is the tower of the baglio di Carini with the fishing boats. That's the entrance of the small villages, just like 10 houses. And this is the coastline from Carini to Cinisi. It's a rocky coastline. There are beautiful beaches over there, very close where we are now, from where we are, sandy beaches. So this is the island of women, then the village of Isola delle Femmine, Capaci, then we have Torretta, more or less over there, then we have Carini. And this is the cove where the fishing boats live. Giusto? Aspetta, che switcho di nuovo. And this is Gianca and Rosella again. Guys, thanks for watching. It's as always, it has been a very, very long live broadcast. We are so happy that you are a lot of people watching us.
Thank you for your love. Thank you for your positive vibes, because each live broadcast we can feel your energy and your love for us. And so we would like to wish you a great Sunday. Stay positive, please. Never give up. Stay strong.
Use your brain. Don't believe what they say. Keep in your heart, in your brain, but in particular in your heart, a little space to use your own feelings. So don't believe what they say.
Set up a positive mind and start again your week, your new week, with a lot of positive thoughts and a lot of positive goals.
Yeah, this is so important.
Yeah, if you have some purpose, if you have some goal in your life, this will help you.
Yeah.
We really know that the situation is not easy, and believe us, we know, because this crazy situation stopped us more than 1 year ago. But we don't want to give up, and so we are here with you. And thank you again for everything, because you are so important for us. And so stay strong.
Rosella is a good philosopher. I didn't expect this.
You know. I'm the coaching.
She's the fuel, the energy in my life too.
Oh.
So I have to thank Rosella.
Wow. I would like to be the coach of all Sicily lovers.
I think everyone needs to be his own coach.
Yeah.
You have to find the strength. You have to find the fuel, the energy inside you.
Yeah.
But if you wanna follow Rosella, okay. Soon affari vostri. It's your business. I don't wanna say nothing.
You have everything inside you. So take the time to think about, to be grateful, to think about the positive things that you have in your life. And so focus on the positive things and not on the bad things.
I'm starting to cry.
So stupid, Gianca.
Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you will enjoy the next days. Hope you enjoy your life, and see you the next one.
Yeah, we will spend our week uploading items.
Perhaps we will make a short broadcast just showing the uploading of a Sicily Lovers item.
Yes, to share with you
that we are not in vacation.
The back, how can I say?
The backstage.
The backstage, yeah. So.
Just to show you, just to give you an evidence that we are not on vacation, that we are working hard, and it's a very difficult, hard job. Yeah. So in the next days we will do something. Okay, Rosella?
Yes.
Okay.
I agree with you. And we can reveal something more.
Yeah, just the categories, for example.
For example, yes.
The categories, products, Okay.
Something.
Don't spoil it.
Guys, again, we love you. It's time to say bye-bye. Enjoy your Sunday and your week. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.